Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing some slime stuff, and here's the thing it came with. It's not a sponsor, but if you would like to buy it, I got this at Target, and it's called Itsy Studio. It comes with two of these, a different design, and then this one for the bottom, the clear one. It comes with this whole pack and a big stand. That's how I'm standing it up right now. And then I'm going to attempt to open it, find the opening. I don't know where it's at. So, little hole here. I'm going to open this up. First time opening it. Take out everything. Oh, some glitter. So I'm going to do so I have pink slime, blue slime, and I have some orange slime. And for the ingredients, well, you don't have to put these, but I have two types of glitter. These glitters, this glitter, so I'm gonna put them right here. And then I have 4 types of foam balls. So I have these basic ones, well, basic colors, plain colors, pink and purple. Then I have the tiny colorful foam balls. Then I have the big medium foam balls. So yeah, well, some of them came out for some reason, I don't know how. But first we're gonna open the pink slime. We're starting off with the pink slime. So we're clearing this. And I don't know how to open this, so yeah. Trying to rip it open. I got a hole. I'm gonna probably squeeze it out. Yeah, oh, it popped open. Pushing it out is not as sticky, so that's good. I'm squeezing it. There's still some slime in here. So I'm gonna open it all the way and try to get all the slime out. There's a small little piece. It's a big piece. Oh, it stuck to my hand. It's pretty sticky. So now I have the pink slime. It's not as pokey because it's like paper, I guess. This, I don't know. It stretches pretty good. It smells like bubblegum. Pink bubblegum. I think this is it. So for this one, I'm gonna add some glitter. I don't know. I'm gonna add this glitter. Not a lot. Add some glitter so it'll come out. No, it's not coming out, so I need to open the hole a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna pour some glitter. It's coming out. Yeah, I'm gonna pour the whole thing for this one. Oh, it went everywhere, so I'm gonna, oh god, it went everywhere, it went on the floor. Do the rest, so I'm gonna mix it up. Use my spatula. We'll fold it together. Oh, you're breaking. So I'm gonna put it more over here. I'm gonna try to pick up all the glitter. It's over here too. So now I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Mixing it so all the parts can actually have some glitter. And I'm gonna start poking it. It looks pretty. See all the glitter in there? I don't think you can see the glitter very good, but there's glitter. There's a lot. It looks pretty. I like it. I don't think I'm gonna add foam beads to this one. So yeah. I'm gonna do a glitter, a foam bead, and probably glitter and foam bead. So I have this glitter. I think I'm gonna put it in the blue. I'm not sure, but yeah. Let's move on to the next slime. So I'll put this one to the side. So I'm gonna move this and put it right here. You can't probably see it, but it's in the corner. So now I'm gonna grab my blue glitter, my blue slime, and I'm gonna just squeeze it so I can pop. Oh my god, I'm squeezing it hard. It's not popping. Pop. Okay, I'm gonna make a little insert and then it'll pop. So I have an insert and I'm gonna show. I won't pop. What the heck? Okay. Okay, I have this piece so far. Sorry about the background noise because my dad is watching a movie. Okay, I'm gonna make the insert a little bigger. Well, the hole that I made. Just gonna push this back in. That. Just gonna pull it. Pull it. 2 steps. Okay, so when it's stopped, and I'm gonna make the hole bigger. Try to get all of it out. Okay. Oh, just fell out in one piece. So this is a slime. It's gonna have some glitter in it probably. I like this one. This one's nice. Probably gonna add some glitter. So I'm gonna add this glitter. There's slime on my thumb. I'm not gonna add all of it because I'm gonna probably put some glitter in the orange slime and like foam beads and stuff. Oh my god, let me make the hole a little bit bigger. So maybe I don't want to make it too glittery. Okay, that's enough glitter. There's still a whole bunch. And I'm just gonna grab my spatula, flip it. Oh, there's some plastic in there. Flip it this way. Like, oh my god, it keeps falling away. So I'm gonna hold it, and flip it. This, okay, just going with my hands. This looks pretty. I didn't add as much as glitter that I did to the other one, but I added a little bit of glitter. Oh my god, the plastic. A little bit of glitter, and I think it's good like that. Nice. I like it. If y'all can see the glitter, right there, like the bluish and the pink, the purple glitter in there. But yeah. Oh my god, this one is coming off the thing. See it? So I need to. So now I'm just gonna make this into a square little ball and put it back where it was. And we're just focusing on this slime. This one's pretty, I like it. It's a jiggly slime, I think. Because it doesn't stretch as much, but it's still pretty. I like this one. I didn't put as much as glitter as I did to the other one. And then let them clear up so they can make like a clear blue. So yeah. This is how this one looks like. So we're going to move on to the next one. So we're going to fold it once, fold it from the other side, and then pick it up and put it to the side where the pink is. Not right next to the pink, but like a little gap right there. Okay, I'm going to flatten this one out like that. And flatten that one out. Okay. Now when it's over, just see if this one will pop. Looks like it will. Oh god, I'm squeezing so hard. I'm gonna do this. No pop probably. Just right from the middle. Okay, now it's there. I'm gonna use this to poke it like that. Oh, it worked. Now I'm gonna untangle this one. This one almost came out in a whole piece, but I'm flipping this one inside out so I can get all of them. Oh, it came out basically in a whole piece. There's very little spots. This one is this without no glitter or no foam beads. So now I'm gonna put foam beads, colorful ones. But yeah, stretch test. This one's stretchy, but the blue one is the most stretchy. This was the second, that's the third. This is without no glitter, foam beads. I'm gonna put glitter and foam beads in here. So yeah, probably gonna put some foam beads in one of them. I don't know, maybe. But yeah. So now I'm gonna put the colorful foam beads. I have the colorful foam beads right here. I'm gonna shake it. So I have it, and I'm putting them right here. If you can see, looks cute like that. Don't want to let anyone go. So I'm gonna place it down there, and I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna pat them all in so they won't get everywhere. I think they will anyways. I think they'll start falling out. I didn't put as much because it's a tiny slime. It's not like the big slimes. So yeah, I'm gonna fold it in, and I'm gonna stretch it. And now they might fall out. Will they or will they not? They're not falling out right now. Seeming good. Like they don't fall out, but like when I stretch it, they poke out like that. And you just do this and you squeeze it. Some might stick to your hands, but yeah. I like this one. It's like a cereal, but like the milk is yellow. It's like expired milk or orange juice. Cereal without no milk and then orange juice on the side. Something like that. This is cute. Oh, this is super poppy. So I'm probably gonna put some more foam beads so it could be like a little poppy, but not. There's foam beads and there's like foam beads that this. Let me see. Like not a circle, not like a circle. Where's it? Oh, where's the camera? I can't see. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? Oh, here. Like not a circle. Like that. So cute. So then I'm grabbing my spatula, push them in again. There's foam beads everywhere. So I'm trying not to get them in the slime. The other slime, so I'm gonna push them more over here. There's already bubbles coming out. So when I squish them in, I'm gonna start moving, like stretching and stuff. Very poppy now. I like this one a lot. Not pokey at all because of foam beads. I'm gonna do a slime swirl. So when you stretch it like this. So, stretching it, and I'm gonna do slime swirl. Can you see my slime swirl? Yes, you can. You just pop it. I like this one a lot. In the other videos, I'm just gonna play with the slime and like probably add some more decorations to them because like I have big foam beads left. I still have some little foam beads. I have more little ones. These are purple and pink. There's a hole in here somewhere. Oh man, there's no holes. But yeah. Then I still have some glitter left. So yeah, now I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna get the whole thing. I'm gonna get a little piece so y'all can actually see them all together. Oh, a foam bead fell in, but I'm gonna put this one on the side. This is a little piece. Okay, I'll grab a little piece of this one. This is number one. This is number one, number two, and number three. Oh, this is cookie. But they look cute. They're like little slimes. Don't mind this one or this one, but these are the three. One. They're not the big ones. The ones that I actually made, they're on the side. I just put them right here, so smaller ones, so you can actually see all three of them together. I'm not gonna put them together, but I'm gonna put them very close. They're very close. I'm gonna squish this one. So I'm gonna do a little test of this one. Stretchy. Yes. Poppy. It is poppy for sure. Okay, now this one, that's a 10 out of 10. This one, glitter, right? 10 out of 10. Poppy, 5 out of 10. Stretchiness, 10 out of 10. So this one's in the lead, so this is 10, 10. All of them are 10. Stretchy, 10 out of 10. Glittery, 10 out of 10. Poppy, let's see. To stretch it a little bit so it could be. Oh, that was a good pop. 10 out of 10. So they're tied. Y'all vote in the comments which one won. There we have the blue one. I'm gonna name them. This is blue raspberry sprinkle. This is blue raspberry sprinkle. They're not sprinkles, but they're good. So yeah. This is strawberry. No, this is bubblegum. This is bubblegum mint. No. This is swamp glitter. It's not a lot of glitter, but this has the most glitter, so I'm gonna call it bubblegum swamp glitter. And this one is cereal. It's not white, but I call it cereal because it has like, yeah. So vote in the comments which one won out of these three. It's okay. So vote which one won in the comments out of these three. One. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. Vote. Wait, number 1, number 2, number 3. And these are, I showed you guys the ingredients. It came with a spatula. I love it. I could just not swipe it, but like pick it up. Like, yeah. And I can like cover it with this or do stuff with it. Like, I could probably cut it. Let's see, with this part. No, I can't, but like if I had it like this and I did this, I can cut it easily. Not easily, but I could cut it. And here's my little burrito. Yeah. So vote in the comments which one won. I'm gonna make this one into a little thing. I'll just find this one. Find this one, and then this side, make this side, this side. I'm gonna do something for this one. Make this side. So vote which one won. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Just say which one won. Orange, pink, or blue. Vote in the comments. Bye. Bye. See you next video. And next video I'm just gonna do like doing tricks with them. Not tricks, but like stretching them out and stuff. So yeah, that's gonna be next video, and it's gonna be like basically the same thing. I might add things to it. So yeah, bye. Before I leave, subscribe, turn on post notification, and give this video a big thumbs up, and see you tomorrow. Bye.